Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 429, maximum number of distinct elements after operations. So let's read the problem statement first. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. Okay. You are allowed to perform the following operation on each element of the array at most once. We can add an integer in the range minus k to k to the element. Okay, and we have to return the maximum possible number of distinct elements in nums after performing the operations. Okay, so this is what we need to do, right? So here k is equal to 2. That simply means that we can use the elements minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, all these elements we can use, right? So here if you see all these elements we are treating here in increasing order, right? So this is definitely going to help us. Okay, so first minus 1, then 0 is coming, okay, in the explanation part. If you see carefully, then 1 is there, then 2 is there, then 3 is there, then 4 is there. Okay, we can keep track of these, like a previous max is this one. Let's keep the second one here. Okay, then keep the second one here, then keep the next one here. Okay, something like that. All right, so here see this 2 same, right? So we have to apply a few things, right? We can add the elements, okay, add any of these elements in this range. So initially all of these are in sorted order, right? 1 2 2 2 3 3 4 4. Okay, so first let's do now, let's make it as minimum as possible. Okay, as minimum as possible. Okay, so in this one, if I add minus 2, I will get the output as minus 1. Okay, so here I'm adding minus 1. All right, then in this 2, let's try to add as minimum as possible. So let's add this 2 minus 2, minimum is 0. I'm getting 0. Okay, okay, in this 2, let's try to add as minimum as possible. So 2 minus 2, 0, but 0 is already there, previous max is 0, right? That is why I was saying that, see carefully, all in increasing order. So 0 is already there previously, right? So now move to the next one. So 2 minus 1, so I'm going to add the 1 here. Okay, then here I move to this one. Okay, 3, let's keep it as minimum as possible. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 is already there. Okay, then move to the next one. 3 minus 1, I will get 2. So here I'm adding 2. Okay, then move here. Try to keep as minimum as possible. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 is already there. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 is already there. 3 minus 0. So let's keep 3 here only. Okay, then 4. Keep it as minimum as possible. 4 minus 2. So 2. It's already there. 4 minus 1, 3. It's already there. 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, 4 is not there. Let's keep it 4. Okay, instead of adding, moving further. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, but we left out 4. Okay, so let's keep it as minimum as possible. Okay, so here I'm adding 4. Okay, instead of 4 plus 1, 5, or 4 plus 2, 7, or 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, so I'm trying to keep it as minimum as possible. Okay, in order. Okay, so this is what we need to do here. So this example, okay, so we can add elements from minus 1, 0 and 1. So for minus 1, let's keep it as minimum as possible. For minus 1, I will get 3 here. Okay, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is already there. So 4 minus 0, so 4. Let's keep it 4 only. Here 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. Both are there, right? 4 plus 1, 5. So let's keep 5 here. All right, then move here. uh, Here you can write 3. I put 3 here, 4 here, 5 here. Okay, then here 4 minus 1, 3 is already there. Okay, 4 minus 0, 4 is already there. 4 plus 1, 5 is already there. So here I can't change it. Okay, so in the end I'm left with 3, 4, 5 and 4. Okay, so here how many elements are unique? These 3 are unique. Okay, so output is 3. Okay, the constant size is very large. Okay, so now let's understand this with an example here. Okay, 8 8 10 9 9. So first of all, I'm just going to sort my nums array. Okay, so if any minimum element comes first, then definitely if I apply these operations, then definitely I will get the minimum value here in the first position. Okay, so that is why I'm first doing the sorting on this one. Okay, and in this case k is 1. Okay, so that simply means that I can use elements minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay, so here you can do one thing. You can pause the video and try to solve this example, okay, with the things that I explained, and see whether you are getting the output as 5 or 4. Okay, let's see what you are getting. Okay, so if you are getting 5, then you are correct. If you are getting 4, then you are wrong. Okay, so pause this video and try to solve it. Okay, so now I'm moving further. Okay, so here I'm going to create one set and variable. Okay, so I've created this scene set, okay, an empty set to track the distinct positions, and I'm going to create one variable previous. Okay, it is going to store the minimum value. Okay, so before that I am storing some minimal value, very minimal value of integer. Okay, the previous position will be initialized to the smallest possible value. Okay, and see here, after that, okay, after previous value it's very start, if it's very previous. Okay, so here I am moving one step further, one step further, one step further. Okay, for the next range. So here minus prev is there. Okay, minimum value is there. Then here I have to add the value from min plus 1 to some other range. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, so you guys will get better understanding with the code. Okay, about this. Okay, so here we have to iterate through the numbers. So first element is 8, first element is 8. Okay, after sorting, first element is 8. Okay, so here I'm going to update this variable position. Okay, as math.max previous one plus 1. Okay, so previous is already there. Okay, I am saying that this is the previous position will be initialized to the smallest possible value. So here I have to add the maximum among them, previous plus 1 or nums minus k. So math.max integer.min value plus 1, 8 minus 1. So here 8 minus 1 is going to be 7, right? So here max is going to be 7. Okay, this is a minimum value. So here I have to add 7. Okay, so I have changed this 8 to 7. Okay, right? And now since this position variable output is 7 is within the range nums minus k. Okay, in this range. Okay, 7 is less than equal to 8, 8 is less than equal to 9. Okay, we add the position 7 to the set. Okay, in the set we have added this 7. Okay, and I updated this previous to 7. Okay, so from minimum I move to 7. Okay, then I have to move further. So in this range I have to check, okay, which element I can use here. So here I have two options, right? Math.max next iteration. Okay, I move to this number on now. So here I can use p plus 1. Okay, that simply means I can use here 8 over num minus k. Okay, num minus k if I use. So num minus k is going to be 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, so out of this which is max? So 8 is max, so here I'm using 8. Okay, I have updated the position as 8. Okay, I have added these two inside and previous is 8. Now I move to num is equal to 9. Okay, so here prev is now previous 8, 8 plus 1, 9, and here I am getting num minus k, which is 8. Okay, whichever is maximum. So 9 is maximum, I am using 9. Okay, so here for 9, 10, I'm going to get, for 10 I'm going to get 11. Okay, so in the end my set is going to be like this. Okay, so 7. Okay, ignore this is, I think that's wrong. Okay, ignore this. So here I'm getting 7, here I'm going to get 8, here I'm going to get 9, here I'm going to get 10, and here I'm going to get 11. Okay, so here see, uh, here I'm adding 7. Okay, then I'm adding 8, then I'm adding 9, here I'm adding 10. Okay, and here 11. Okay, here I can add 11. Okay, position is 11 is out of range, it is saying, but it is within the range. Okay, ignore this line. So here I can add 11 as well. Okay, so final set is going to contain total 5 distinct elements: 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, and then my scene dot size is going to be 5. Okay, so here uh, see carefully, 8, 8 I changed to 7. Okay, I can change 8 to 7. Okay, then 8 is there, so 8 I can keep it as 8 only. Okay, 9, so in 9 I can keep it as 9 only. Okay, 9, here I am going to add 1. Okay, 9 plus 1, so I will get 10. Okay, and this is 10 now, so in this 10 I can add 11 as well, right? 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, so this line is mistakenly written here. Okay, ignore that. So we can add 11 as well. Okay, so output is going to be 5. Okay, so this is my code. So first arrays dot sort, I'm sorting the nums array, creating one set. Okay, and take previous as this one. Okay, then I'm going to iterate over all the numbers. Okay, and then I am going to update my position as math.max. Okay, this one, and if position is less than equal to num plus k. Okay, so in the last case, what is my position I'm getting here? I'm getting as 11. Okay, so here 11 is less than equal to, what was my number was 10. Okay, number was 10, number was 10, and in that this 10 if I add 1. Okay, 1, so 11 is less than equal to 11, right? This is good, true. So here I am going to add position. So what was my position? 11. Okay, so here I have added position. Okay, so just ignore this line mistakenly written here. Okay, so this is my code. Okay, so this is what we need to do. I have to add this to set, and then previous I have to add position, and in the end we have to just return the size of the set. Okay, and this submission is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand question number 2 of weekly contest 429. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to contact please feel free to add a comment in the comment section. Okay, and please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.